Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Chest rise, chest fall. A faint snore sparks a sense of safety. I close my eyes. A canopy of stars shimmers into sight. 15. I let their shine soothe me. One among the innumerable, I find my constellation. Tomorrow, I walk the halls of middle school for the first time. Use time to shine to answer questions 5 to 7. In line 16, what does the word innumerable mean? Select 1. A. Occasional. B. Shadowed. C. Countless. D. Limited. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.